Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new AEW Women's World Champion, the Babe with the Power, Willow Nightingale.
Why not have Sharky and Willow in the same segment? It's a feel-good segment. Chompy, Willow. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm happy to see Willow, and he was great with that title. Whoa. Heads up here. Hey. Willow Nightingale defeating the Toxic Spider Tekla this past Sunday at Redemption in Montreal. As we see all these signs at ringside, they're handmade by all the fans. They bought them tonight in support of the feel-good champion, Willow Nightingale.
You know, and there's something more to Willow than just being the feel-good champion. We all know what a great young lady that she is backstage. She's always smiling, always happy, even when she was injured and out of action.
Yeah, you can't trust her, though. Why is that, Taz? But she smiles too much. You never trust people who smile that much.
Renee smiles, too. We trust her.
No, I don't trust her either.
Willow, a huge congratulations to you. Not only to earn the new AEW Women's World Championship.
Look at that sign.
You're also the first women's Triple Crown winner in AEW. What does all of this mean to you?
You guys are all far too kind. Really? Really, thank you. Oh, it's this is still really surreal. Oh, you know, it's like, it's exactly the kind of thing people dream about. And like, I'm not just living a dream, I'm living my dream. Yeah. And I'm so grateful for you guys all being with me because honestly, there have been doubters along the way. You know, not everyone has looked at me, a girl like me, make of that whatever you will, whether that be overly enthusiastic or quirky or chubby or weird, you know. People would look at a girl like me and they just wouldn't get it. They wouldn't see it. They would think it would never happen. But this past year, I've made you guys apparently very happy. Guys, our makeup artists worked very hard on my makeup. Like, please. In this past year, I've become half of our first ever women's tag team champions. And then I went on to beat Mercedes Moné for the TBS title. Yeah. And then I got hurt. Yeah, boo. It all came crashing down. It really was, it was tough. It took me to a pretty dark place. But you know who pulled me out of that? Good old Mom. Hi, Mom. looks at me. She calls me her warrior princess. She says, listen, honey, you got two options. You can stay down or you can fight. Yeah, so I did what the warrior princess would do, and I fought to get into the casino gauntlet. And then I fought a dangerous, toxic champion in Tekla, so I could win this bad boy right here. So I love all the love you guys are giving me, but I need you to listen to this part, because this is for all of you, and this is for all of you. If life has been kicking you around, don't you dare give up. Don't do it, okay? Keep fighting. Keep pushing through, because sometimes the comeback is even better than the dream.
Willow Nightingale on Sunday, the 30th of August at Wembley Stadium. The woman that will challenge for the AEW Women's World Championship, the CEO, Mercedes Moné.
And these two women, Excalibur, Taz, no stranger to each other at all.
Yeah, and I like the fact that Mercedes came out here to maybe get involved or give input to this great moment for Willow. Timing's everything, guys, you know, and I think that she's showing the timing that I'm impressed with.
Okay.
Yeah. No respect for the CEO.
To ruin your celebration. I came out here for business, so sign the damn contract for all and now. Ladies, it is official at All In London, Wembley Stadium for that AEW Women's World Championship. It will be Willow Nightingale versus Mercedes Moné. Thank you, ladies.
Mercedes, what exactly is your problem today? What, for 5 seconds, people didn't give you all of their attention, right? Or maybe today you're angry because you remembered I beat you after your 584-day reign as TBS champion. It could be that, but you know what I think it is? I think it's that I have the one championship that you just can't get.
Do you know what I hate most about you, Willow? It's not just your stupid smile, or that the fact that all these people love and adore you. It's the fact that every milestone, somehow your name is written all over my story. When I got hurt and my career stopped, all these people celebrated you.
When I fought my way back and I chose AEW, I had to go through you. When Mercedes Moné, became the greatest TBS champion of all time, guess who's the one that took that all away from me? That's right, Willow! And now you are holding the one thing that I am destined to hold, that AEW Women's World title. Do you know how that makes me feel? Do you know how that makes me feel? Every defining moment of my career, somehow you're smiling and I have to pick up the pieces. Do you know how that feels? Well, all in, I will not shut the hell up. At all in, I am going to finally end your fairy tale. Because Willow, you would be nothing without me. The only reason why these people cheer for you is because you stood across the ring from Mercedes Moné. So Willow, I want you to admit something. I made you. I elevated you. I gave you the greatest moment of your entire career. So all in, Willow, I am not just gonna take this title. I'm gonna take that damn smile too.
Oh, is that what you think? You wanna talk about destiny? I've made history, honey. I made history. You wanna talk about destiny? I dare you. I dare you to try. I became the first Triple Crown Women's Champ ever. That's what I did.
Out of my expense?
At your expense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the plan, huh?
Divine Dominion, Megan Bainley across the AEW Women's World Tag Team Champions.
Oh my God, it's going to be 3-on-1 here.
Yeah, the Women's Tag Team Champs have been aligned with Mercedes.
And a chop block by Mercedes Moné, and now Divine Dominion.
Oh no. No!
Oh! Willow laid out by Divine Dominion. We still don't know what this relationship between Mercedes Moné and Divine Dominion is all about, but it has been a very formidable one. But in come the Brawling Birds, Jamie Hayter, Alex Windsor, and they've had their eyes on the AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship, Tony.
And that's one of the reasons, and one of the many reasons, the Divine Dominion and look at Mercedes take the low road. It's good to see Willow get back to her feet.
Well, the contract has been signed. It is official for All in London. Willow Nightingale, Mercedes Moné for the AEW Women's World Championship. But fans, still to come, we will hear from Kenny Omega, the AEW World Champion. The conglomeration will look to defend their AEW World Trios Championship against Demand. But coming up next, Commander challenges Jon Moxley for the AEW Continental Championship.